Alright everyone, so this is part 2 of the video, and what I'm going to show you is how you could get text put at the top and bottom of the screen. And yes, I know what I did there. So let's go to our computer, and we're going to start the same way we really always have. We're going to start with Keynote. We're going to start with text box. I'm going to type something into the text box. I'm going to type alternating. And I'm going to do my thing where I go to text. I'm going to make it 200 point, nice size here. I'm going to drag it to the I'm going to drag it to the middle here, as much as I can. Okay, and I'm going to just try to drag it near the top. I also want to change this font. I'm going to change it to impact, because that makes more of an impact. Yes, terrible pun. Text color. For this time, I'm going to go with red. And then, we've got our special effects wheel over here, our gear, as I call it. I'm going to do an outline, and I'm going to stay with yellow. It's a color that pops and whatnot. And I'm going to just adjust to what I think is okay. 5 point, that's going to be pretty fine. So now that I've got that done, of course, I'm going to click off here. I'm going to just go here to color fill, and I'm going to choose no fill, and again it turns black. And then just file, export to images. You see we get our worry here about the export with transparent backgrounds. That's what we want, so we're going to leave it checked. And I'm just going to put alternating image. Make it easy. Once again, go to desktop. We're going to export. And I'm going to delete this. But actually, let me just move it kind of down here. And I'm just going to type the word text. Keep it simple. Center it, and then file, export, images. You're not really changing anything up here. And we're going to go to save, desktop, text image, export. All right. Then we're going to go open iMovie. Let me actually just real quick, I'm going to delete all this so I can show you how to do it from scratch. Okay, so we're going to import the media. We need 3 pieces of media import. We need alternating image. We need text image. So we're going to import, we're going to import just those 2. We're going to hit that command key. Now, for our other media import, it's actually on my external Kingston here. That has the alternating text, no effect. We're going to import that. So I drag this down here, of course. I'm going to drag these and just give them a 1 second interval for each of them. 1 second, because I'm kind of overdid it a bit here. I'm running a bit late and whatnot. And I overdid it a bit in the first part either how. That was a bit too noisy. And we're just going to hit 1, and you got to hit the return key when you do this. Okay, and all we're going to do is pretty much the same thing we've always been doing with this, and that is we're just going to go to File, we're going to go to Share, which is what everybody pretty much calls export. We're going to go to Next. I'm going to again switch to saving this by desktop. And I'm going to give it that name, delete immediately, just for the reason that, hey, I've already done this video, really, so I don't really need to save it or keep it around again. And this is the clip that we have here at the end for us. Thank you all. Thus, the alternating text effect.